I just wanted to show y'all why I've got to buy another Gable vent and how my husband installed it. You see these screws? Screw, screw. Everything is in the face of the vent. And then on the bottom, for some reason, he put nails. And what is that nail? I mean, it's bent. It's not even drove in. Look at that. And it's not even level. I mean, it is an inch more on the right than it is on the left. So, now that he has watched the how-to video, yeah, this is not how you install a vent. It took him 2 hours to figure this out, and the video showing how to properly install one of these is not even a couple of minutes long. So, somebody help.